If you search torrent website or any kind of file download website or pirated website to download free stuffs, you may face this sign have been blocked by government error. Here you can see in the screen, or you may face this kind of secure connection failed. If you are using Reliance Jio, this kind of bad ISP in India right now, you may face this kind of secure connection fail error many times. So I'm going to show you in this video how to unblock all the websites have been blocked by any ISP in India or anywhere in the world without using VPN. You can unblock this site using VPN, but in VPN, free VPN tracks you, your data, which website you serve, and the paid VPN costs you more, and all the VPN speed is low. Your full bandwidth capacity of your internet plan may not be used if you are using VPN. So in this video I am going to use without using VPN how to unblock any block site. Let's get started. So here you can see one information is coming out. Reliance Jio is using SNI inspection to block website. SNI inspection is server name indication. So if you are going to use any kind of HTTPS site, then your packet is going to be analyzed by Reliance Jio, and then they will check the server name or your domain name you are searching for, and they will check with their block database and they will block. And if you are using their own ISP DNS server, then this kind of error may come. So you can bypass this DNS thing using 1111 or 8.8.8.8 Google DNS, but you cannot bypass this kind of connection failed or SNI inspection method which they are using right now. You can bypass it using VPN, but as I said earlier, VPN will reduce your internet speed. So in this video I am going to show you how to unblock all the websites which has been being blocked by the ISP. Before starting this tutorial, let me share one thing, that this tricks is only applicable only to HTTPS secure site, and those sites have been implemented Cloudflare security. Cloudflare security means free security. You do not have to pay. If you are domain or website admin, you do not have to pay anything to Cloudflare, just implement their proxy. So these two things have to be implemented site. And let me share one thing, that all the torrent site downloading site right nowadays using this kind of free Cloudflare services to secure their website. So there is no problem, you can unblock all the torrent sites using this trick. Another thing is that only available in Mozilla Firefox, so you cannot use in Google Chrome or any other browser. So let's download this Mozilla Firefox, awesome browser, secure browser in your desktop or your mobile, anywhere. So these two things you have to have. And another thing, if you are using Android, you have to enable this, the DNS over TLS. I will give the link which I made already video, so do check the video how to enable in Android 9 Pie DNS over TLS setting, and in your desktop you have to enable any Cloudflare 1111 DNS. So that's all required. So now first of all let me show you to checking. I have already activated 1111 DNS, but still getting two errors. First is secure DNS is not available, and last is encrypted SNI is not available or activated till now, because I am going to show you how to activate it. So right now it is not available. So these two things which is in red cross left and right is very much needed to unblock this site. So I am going to use without any VPN. So first of all let's start it. Before starting, make sure your DNS setting in your desktop, whatever Linux, Windows, anything you are using, this setting have been done by checking the network card. So here you can see 1111 and alternative is 1.0.0.1. These two things you have to check. Next, go to about:config Firefox. Open Firefox, go to about:config from the URL or the address bar. Then one pop-up will come, go to allow or I accept. Then their search bar will come. Then main tricks is starting. You have to change some Firefox flags here to enable this. First of all, you have to check for network.trr.mode. This will enable DNS over TLS facility. So search for network.trr.mode or trr.mode, anything, then something will come here like this. The value will be set to 0. You have to change this value, and now I'm saying the flag value. 0 means anything default, 1 means it will be inverse, 2 means all the website which is HTTPS and Cloudflare integrated using this method. Or if any site does not have HTTPS, then you will go to the default mode, that is called the 2 value. If you set to the 3 value, then it will be strict. Only the HTTPS and Cloudflare side will be accessed. So I do not recommend you to value 3 unless and until you know what you are doing. So I must recommend to set this value to 2, 0, 1, 2. You have to take it to 2. So first thing, setting has been done. Next setting, you have to change one thing, that ESNI. You have to activate the ESNI inside Firefox. So again, search for ESNI. One thing will come, that is a boolean value. By default it will be false. ESNI security enable false. You have to double click or change the value to true. These two things you have to done, and you are very good to go, and you have been secured and unblocked the site. So first of all, you have to check whether it is working or not. Then again, go to the Cloudflare SNI checking site. I will give the link in the description. So here you can see all the 4 things: secure DNS and encrypted SNI, including TLS or DNSSEC, have been activated, and 4 green tick is there. That means you are fully secured and your ISP cannot track you which site you are surfing now. Android, the same thing is available. Go to about config from your Android Mozilla Firefox browser, and you can do it everything. So I am now going to the demonstration purpose. For this I am using popular torrent site 133x.to. If you are surfing is non-secure site, then government block error will come, and if you are using HTTPS site, then secure connection fail will come because your ISP like geo inspectioning deep package inspection. This is huge privacy risk. So here you can see this is the error without using my tricks. After applying my tricks, I am going to open it, but before that I am going to show you that I am not using VPN. I am using IP info. Here you can see VPN is false, proxy is false, Tor is false. That means I am not using any kind of bypassing proxies, any kind of VPN. So that's mean I am using open internet right away from my ISP. Now I am going to unblock the torrent site. Again, just go to your URL and type this 133x.to in HTTPS. Remember, you have to surf secure mode or HTTPS version. If you are not surfing HTTPS version, I must recommend you to download another add-on in Firefox, that is HTTPS everywhere. This will convert your normal HTTP site to HTTPS site. By default, you do not have to mention all time HTTPS. This setting will let you open any kind of site. Like here you can see this is the pirated site, that's mean a torrent site. You can download free movies, stuffs, everything for free. Yes, the for free, everything is for free. Remember the thing that anything surfing here, downloading inside Firefox will be secured way, whatever secure DNSSEC and ESNI you have implemented. But if you are going to download this any kind of big file using Internet Download Manager or IDM or Extreme Download Manager XDM, then it will be directly downloaded, not via Firefox. Then this kind of security will not be activated or working. So remember one thing, always you have to do everything inside Firefox. And operating system wide, that's mean Windows, Linux or Android, full operating system wide is not till available, but it will be available very soon. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Do let me know comment section how much do you like this video. Do you going to apply these tricks, and after applying let me know this is working or not. I have implemented and I have checked with Jio and BSNL, everywhere it is working. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do subscribe my channel, do like this video, share this video. I'm going to meet you in my next video very soon. Till then, goodbye, take care.